A grand family residence in one of Mosman's finest streets. Hi, my name's David Smearley, proudly representing Pello, and I cannot wait to show you this incredible opportunity. With its perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern living, this classic Mosman residence is a statement in style. The character-rich home is flooded with natural light and designed over 3 levels, offering an abundance of space, designed with soaring ceilings, LED light details, and multiple fireplaces. Large formal and casual living areas are spectacular in size and function. The property features a sun-filled modern kitchen overlooking a level back garden, with the upper levels boasting spacious bedrooms, including a stunning master with ensuite and private balcony. This grand family residence is situated amongst some of Mosman's finest homes. Discover this private oasis located in an exclusive enclave, just a short stroll from Mosman Village, local cafes, Mosman Bay Ferry, and a short walk from some of Sydney's top schools. Having walked you through this beautiful home, I know that this is going to be an amazing opportunity for a family in Mosman wanting to add their own touch to this incredible home. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and I look forward to seeing you at our next inspection.